Just like us, chickens need vitamins to stay healthy and strong. Vitamins support their immune system, egg production, feather quality, and overall well-being. But when should you give them these essential nutrients? Let's find out. First up, molting season. When your chickens are molting, they need extra nutrients to grow new feathers. Vitamins, especially those rich in biotin and vitamin E, help them recover faster and maintain their energy levels. Secondly, chickens can get stressed too. During stressful periods like extreme weather changes, predator attacks, or moving to a new coop, vitamins can boost their immune system and help them cope better. Vitamins A, D, and E are particularly helpful. Thirdly, after illness or injury. If your chicken has been sick or injured, vitamins can aid in their recovery. Vitamins B and K are great for healing wounds and rebuilding strength. Always consult with a vet for the best vitamin recommendations. 4. During breeding and egg laying. Breeding and egg-laying hens need extra nutrients to support egg production and chick development. Vitamins D, E, and calcium are crucial during this time to ensure strong eggshells and healthy chicks. If your chicken's diet is lacking in variety or they're not getting enough nutrients from their feed, vitamin supplements can help fill the gaps. Look for vitamins that support overall health, including A, D, E, and B complex. Administering vitamins is easy. You can add liquid vitamins to their water, mix powdered vitamins into their feed, or provide vitamin-rich treats like leafy greens and fruits. Always follow the dosage instructions on the supplement packaging. Giving your chickens vitamins at the right times can make a big difference in their health and happiness. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and follow for more tips on keeping your flock in top shape. Until next time, happy farming!